Hello guys, welcome to yet another beautiful video. I'm going to start here by preparing maize. As you can see, yes, I'm lost guys, but I'm back. I'm back like I never left. I hope you are all okay guys. I love you so much for the support you have been showing me. Next, I'm going to select maize. Guess what guys, I want to cook some traditional food. Yeah, guys, after I was done selecting the beans, I went ahead, washed them, and put them on fire, as you can see. Yes, I want them to start boiling. So, guys, give the video a like as we continue watching. Okay, guys, I wanted so much to save time. That's why I decided to boil maize and beans separately, but you can mix them if you have time. For me, I decided to boil them separately because beans cook faster than maize. Okay, my good people, next I'm going to peel the potatoes, and I know most of you already know the food I'm going to make because it's a traditional food here in Kenya and it's also common. So I really love the food. Sometimes I always do, like today I'm going to make that dish. And if you guess it right and you know what type of food I want to make, comment down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and we will move forward as a team. Preparing pumpkin leaves. allow me to appreciate all of you for watching my video up to this point. Thanks for liking, commenting, and even subscribing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. I took you from the start, and this was how the food came out. It was so yummy, I can tell you guys. And also you can try it at your home. Yes, you can either choose to have it with meat stew or steamed cabbages. It's how you prefer. But it was so yummy, and we really enjoyed the meal. Thanks guys for watching. Until the next one, bye.